Every team's different, and every player within each team is different, and all prepare in a different way. So we need to create an environment for them that brings them all together with one unified aim. The Tunnel project created a set of messages around where the team will be immediately before they go out for the game, and hopefully give them that spur and that ambition of being successful. The players see it, they read it, they know the reason they're playing for the club, but they also know that they can play their own part in the history. It's that type of motivation that makes a difference.
This is the last space that the players are in before they go out onto the pitch. It's the last place where the home advantage really kicks in, where the adrenaline is built up before you exit out onto the pitch and the fans carry you through to the rest of the game. The Players' Tunnel is a really exciting space to be involved in. So to be given the opportunity to help transform that space with the club, but also to be able to put our own technology on the walls is fantastic. The tunnel is an area that gets not only high volumes of traffic, but traffic of all extremes. Players being in and out in all weathers. This has to be a space that can stand up in terms of durability. It's a big space. It's also an old building. None of that space is neither flat or even. Being able to use HP Latex's technology gives us the opportunity to be really flexible, to transition from the coaching rooms to the changing rooms, or even to access the pitch as well.
The space at Wrexham was particularly complicated. There were lots of different elevations. The printing side of it's made easy because of the HP Latex technology. When the design was ready, we had to get it in pretty quick. With the HP technology, it's really easy to do very quick, very tight deadlines. I think we only turned it around in a couple of days from start to finish. Final installation, it's very impressive. It's always nice to see the impact it has on a client, and I think it will give them a great deal of inspiration when they come out onto the pitch.
Let's go.
You can't just put success down to one thing, but since the changes were made to the tunnel, the team haven't been beaten. Nobody ever knows what is the one thing that makes a difference, but psychologically we know we are doing everything we can to give the team the best chance of success, and that's why we're grateful for HP's input. We've only actually returned the club to where historically most fans would say is its rightful home. The journey really starts from here, because this is where the improvement will come rather than the success that we've had to date. The partnership with HP will definitely help us achieve that.